Ice storm, a type of winter storm caused by the freezing rain. The U.S. National Weather Service defines an ice storm as a storm which results in accumulation of at least 0.25 inch of ice on exposed surfaces.
Ice storms can freeze car windshields, and so you can see, and they can also be slippery on the ground, and you could slip and fall.
Words to know. Precipitation, a form of water that falls to the ground as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Glaze, a thin coating of ice. Accumulation, when water stays together. Hail, precipitation in the form of ice storms. Rain, liquid water droplets that falls from the atmosphere.
What problems does this cause? Lots.
Ice storms can freeze over your car and your house door, and they can make tree branches 5 times more heavy.
We have an idea. Yes, we do. This is our solution. Helmet protects head when outside in an ice storm from falling branches or ice. Ice cleats are shoes with spiky things on the end that help you grip the ice. This is armor. It's hard on the outside and soft, fuzzy stuff on the inside. These are car tires with spikes on them. It helps that the car doesn't slip when the ice is on it. Who's in our crew? Donovan, Lily, Ricky, and Lindsay. This is me, Lily.
This is me, Donovan. This is me, Ricky.
This is me, Lindsay.